Awning window installation in Washington, D.C. is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Awning windows. Washington contractors offer a range of services, from initial consultation to final installation, ensuring that your new windows are perfectly suited to your home. Awning window companies in Washington, D.C. provide a variety of options, including energy-efficient awning windows and custom awning windows, to meet the diverse needs of their clients. Energy-efficient awning windows in Washington, D.C. are designed to reduce energy costs while providing excellent ventilation. These windows are a smart investment for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Awning window experts in Washington, D.C. can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best energy-efficient awning windows for your specific needs. Custom Awning Windows Washington, D.C. offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window designs. With a wide range of awning window styles and awning window designs available, you can create a unique look that complements your home's architecture. Awning window suppliers in Washington, D.C. provide a variety of materials, including vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows, to suit different preferences and budgets. Vinyl awning windows in Washington, D.C. are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them an ideal option for homeowners seeking long-lasting performance. Awning window maintenance in Washington, D.C. is minimal, allowing you to enjoy your windows without the hassle of frequent upkeep. Aluminum awning windows Washington, D.C. are known for their strength and sleek appearance. These windows are perfect for modern homes and offer a contemporary look that enhances curb appeal. Awning window replacement in Washington, D.C. is a straightforward process, with experienced contractors ensuring a seamless transition from old to new windows. Awning window replacement in Washington, D.C. is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether you need minor adjustments or major replacements, awning window solutions in Washington, D.C. are available to address any issues. Awning window hardware and awning window accessories can also be replaced or upgraded to improve performance and aesthetics. Awning window benefits in Washington, D.C. include improved ventilation, increased natural light, and enhanced security. These windows are designed to open outward, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping rain out. Awning window features in Washington, D.C., such as easy-to-use handles and secure locking mechanisms, add to the overall appeal and functionality of these windows. Awning window options in Washington, D.C. are vast, with a range of awning window materials and awning window styles to choose from. Whether you prefer the classic look of wood or the modern appeal of aluminum, there is an option to suit every taste. Awning window prices in Washington, D.C. vary depending on the materials and features selected, but competitive awning window quotes are available to help you make an informed decision.